Welcome everyone. So today we will talk about Aviatrix Sandbox Starter tool. This is the tool that can deploy cloud and multi-cloud networks in minutes without any effort. If you are a customer, partner, prospect, or even a student who is learning cloud technology, this is a great tool for you. This tool runs locally on your virtual machine or on your laptop or desktops. All you need is Docker running on your Mac, your Windows, or even on a Linux virtual machine. And then you need AWS root account with key access ID and AWS secret access key. All this information is also available on the link I have provided here. Okay, so after you run this UI, this tool is first going to deploy the Aviatrix Controller. This controller is the brain of the solution. That is providing the control plane functionality for your cloud deployment. Then this tool is going to deploy transit and spoke VPCs. And after that, it's going to deploy Aviatrix transit gateway and spoke gateways in respective places. Then it's going to also build this encrypted connectivity between these components. And then towards the end, you have an option to deploy the test instances in the respective VPCs so that you can do some ping, traceroute, or some other connectivity options there. Okay, so now you have built this topology in AWS. What about Azure? So the tool also gives you this option to deploy this standard and common topology in Azure as well. So you see the same architecture is now repeated here in Azure with our transit and spoke gateways deployed in their respective VNets. And not only that, we will also build this connectivity across multiple cloud. And everything that you see here is all encrypted. Okay, so now you know how easy it is to deploy cloud and multi-cloud networks using Aviatrix Sandbox Starter. If you want to know more about this, or if you need any help, email us at info@aviatrix.com. See you next time. Thank you.